Thank you for joining me today. We're going to add a new report to the Acumatica menu. Our scenario is the need to print box IDs as a barcode label to aid in the pick-pack-ship workflow in the warehouse. We created a custom report called Print Anything Label to allow us to type in any values and then print them on a thermal printer as a barcode. So how did we do this? First, I decided where the report would go on the menu, and then what would I call it. I prefer to use the Acumatica numbering scheme to ID my reports, but some may prefer a more descriptive file name, such as the way Generic Inquiries names files when you export them for reports. Transitioning to Report Designer, let's open a list of all the report files currently saved to the Acumatica system. We'll expand the list and we'll determine that we want to insert our file here in IN 619050. Once we've designed our report, we'll do a save as, save the RPX file locally, and then go back and say save to server. Once we save the report file to the server, we can then go back to Acumatica and add to the sitemap. On the sitemap, we'll want to give the screen ID and also our new file name. Typically, I make these the same, so there's less confusion in the naming conventions. Once we save the sitemap entry, we can now take a look at the inventory workspace and see our new Print Anything label appear. So this is adding a new report to the Acumatica workspace. Thank you for your time.